Teriyaki noodles. Boil noodles until cooked. Drain and set aside. Let's make some sauce. Thoroughly mix some soy sauce with coconut nectar or honey and rice wine vinegar. Measurements can be found in the description below. Add a little oil to your hot pan. Toss in your veggies and saute until slightly soft, but still firm. Add your cooked noodles to the pan with the sauce mixture. Toss everything to coat well. Season with salt and pepper. If you like things spicy, add a dash of Sriracha. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and serve.